Hey, welcome back. Today we will learn about user inputs. So far, when we have written programs, we have directly assigned values to variables. Every time you run this code, the value of the name variable will always be Jojo. But in real world programming, we want our programs to work with different values each time they are run. These values are provided by the user through inputs. To take input from a user in Java, we use the scanner class. It is part of the java.util package. The scanner class makes it easy to read inputs of different types, such as strings, integers, floats, and more. When the program encounters a method like scanner.nextLine, it pauses and waits for the user to input a value. In the current example, we are taking a string input. The next line method is used to read an entire line of text, while the next method reads only a single word. The data type of a variable determines what type of input it can store. The scanner class provides different methods to read inputs for various data types. For taking an integer input, we use nextInt. For taking a float input, we use nextFloat. For character input, we use scanner.next.char@0. If the input does not match the expected data type of the variable, the program will throw a runtime error, usually an input mismatch exception.